Hello, dear trader. You have the advanced status. Your main trader's way goal on the advanced status is to upgrade to the next status. You can get the next status by gaining a certain amount of experience points. The more you trade, the more experience points you get. Even losing trades earn you XP. Additionally, during the Trader's Way process, you'll get rewards. Once you reach the right amount of experience points, you will complete levels, receive prizes, and unlock hidden features of the platform. To get to the expert status, you have to trade and earn experience points and complete all 16 levels. Let's take a look at each level and the prizes. Trade using a new indicator, the Bill Williams fractals. The indicator helps to determine the stability of the trend and identify trend reversal points. Get a 30% bonus on your next deposit. More experience with less investment. Get even bigger prizes and bonuses when you complete the next levels. Now you have access to the MACD Professional Trading Advisor. Simply turn it on in the Indicators menu and get automatic trading signals following the MACD Professional strategy. Yes, now you can enjoy another bonus on your next deposit, 40%. Test drive the expert status for 24 hours. Feel the power of a real professional. Trade with enhanced opportunities. Super prize. Get the expert status for only 50% of the deposit amount. Take advantage of a private call with one of our analysts. Ask questions, get new knowledge, and trading signals from professionals. Another fantastic prize, Save Advanced. 30 more days of your current status. Another 30 days of cool features and improved trading conditions. More indicators means more opportunities for successful trades and diverse trading. The inverted Bollinger Bands will help you quickly identify trend reversals. One of the biggest privileges of being an expert, private trading signals. Now you have individual forecasts from Olymp trade analysts. Your trading is gaining momentum. Here's another bonus on your next deposit, 50%. Check out the new Pivot Point Indicator, a popular method that defines levels of support and resistance automatically. Awesome! Get 3 risk-free trades, 2 for $10 and 1 for $5. Now you can get up to 92% rate of return on successful trades. You're almost there. Get another personal consultation with an Olymp trade analyst. Ask more questions and expand your knowledge even more. And of course, get more trading signals from professionals. Congratulations, you did it. You're an expert. No reason to stop now. Keep trading on the platform, keep advancing and improving your trading conditions.